So we have completed all the theory about intelligent applications, data products, also BDC cockpit software. In this lesson, let's jump into the system. I will show you about the BDC cockpit, also how we can install intelligent application, how we can install data product into the Datasphere, how we can enrich that data product in Datasphere. That's all we are going to see onto the system. So basically I'm having this trial version. Okay, so here you can see this is BDC cockpit, and here you can see this one is a home page of BDC cockpit, and here you can get basic information about your applications and installed packages. Also here you can get information about the latest release applications and packages from the SAP. So in this cockpit you can see on left hand side you can see home, intelligent applications and data packages. You can search and you can see the system landscape options. So once you click here, this will give you information about the intelligent applications, how which are available and which are installed onto your system. Okay, and here also you can search for the intelligent application or any specific data packages. Okay, just it's taking some time. Okay, so here you can see this information. You can search if you want to find the data products for the company code, then you can search your that company code. And here also you can see whether you want to search for the asset data products, KPI terms, and this user interface is little bit looks like a Datasphere kind of user interface. So once you click on the system landscape here, you can see how many systems are integrated with the BDC. As of now, you can see Datasphere is integrated, S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition, and also the Analytical Cloud and Databricks is integrated with here. So if you want to check, go into Datasphere, just click onto this link, and here you can log into Datasphere and you can see search for the Datasphere related artifacts and all data models over here. And if you want to take a look at SAC SAP Analytical Cloud, just click onto this link. This will also be a single sign-on. Okay, so after single sign-on, once you logged in, you can search for your dashboards and all. And if you want to go into the Databricks, click onto this link, and here you will have to provide the email ID for which your registration is done with the BDC. So once you have provided, then you need to click on a continue, and then you can able to access the Databricks account. Okay, so now let me show you how we can install the specific data products into the Datasphere. So click on to left icon, click here in catalog and marketplace, click on search. It's taking little bit time. Now here you can search for your required data product. I'm searching for the company code. Okay, now I'm going to install this one, company code data products, and this is, let me show you information about this data products. So it's a shared data products, and it's shared from Databricks to the Datasphere. Okay, and the protocol they are using, that is ORD protocol, Delta Share Protocol. Okay, so basically it's a zero copy protocol. You don't need to copy data from the Databricks. It's in short, it's a live access of data. Okay, so once you are having this data products shared from the Databricks, then you can go here, click on actions item and install. Click on install. Okay, select the space, click on next. Okay, so here it gives a information, data access, replication flow to a local table or remote table. Okay, so these are the two entities. One is a remote table, customer ready to import status, and here replication flow to local table. So basically there will be the two entities. One is a remote table, another one is a replication flow to local table. Once you are having ready for this one, then click on a start and start import and deploy. Okay, here notification you can see import has been started, and if you want to see how imports is going on, click on notification, import remote models, and here system will generate logs while it's importing the objects from the. You can see import is going on. Let me refresh. It will not going to take much over time. Still it's showing status as a running. Now here notification came, models are completed. Okay, import remote models are completed successfully, and here your model is imported local table Databricks. Okay, this one is model is imported. So let's learn how we can enrich our standard SAP data product. So enrichment of standard SAP data products means SAP provides standard data products, and if you want to add some like a custom uh, if you want to join some custom table, or if you want to add some custom field, this is called as the enrichment of that data product. So let's go into data builder, select our space. Okay, we are going to create a graphical view for enrichment of data product. I'm looking for company code. Okay, so this one is our company code data products, which we are which is provided by SAP. Now you just want to what you want to do. Currently in this data products we are having like how many fields we are having, total 9 fields. Okay, you can see here how many fields. Otherwise you can also go to details and check how many fields we are having for this company code data product. Here also you can see. Okay, so let's create one more field for enrichment of our data product. uh, we will create one field, calculated column. Okay, so in this calculated column we will write case statement. Case when company code is equal to 100, 100. Okay, then is the dep deprecated company company and end case. Okay, here our case we will check whether our syntax is valid. You can see here syntax is valid. Also at bottom you can check it showing syntax is valid. Okay, and here we will Name this column as status company status. Okay. Also we will add uh, else case, else active. Again we will verify the syntax. Syntax is verified. This one is a newly added column. Okay, so now here at the in our view we can see the 10 columns. So this is called as a enrichment of the standard data products. So also once we have enriched the data product, it's called as a derived data products. Okay, so let's deploy these data products. Company, we will provide name as a Z company status. Okay, save. And in further session, I will also explain you how we can create custom data products. That custom data product, how we can share it with the Databricks. All those things I will explain you into the next lessons. Okay, so our enriched data product is ready. You can check the data by clicking this icon. It's taking some little time to fetch data. It's deployed. Now it should provide us a data. Let me first verify whether source has a data or not. Okay, source has a data, then definitely we can see the data for this view. Okay, now here you can see our columns. We can see our columns. Let's see company status. Most of the company status are showing active. Let me sort it ascending, descending. We are looking for the deprecated company code. Status I have sorted. Almost all company codes status are showing active because we don't have a 0100 company codes. So you can see the active status is showing for most of the company codes. Now let's learn how we can install the intelligent applications. So currently I'm having the trial version of SAP BDC. So due to this trial version, I'm not able to install the intelligent application, but I can guide you step by step how we can install the intelligent applications. So basically, once you click on intelligent applications and packages, this screen will appear. Here you will see the available packages and the installed packages. Okay, so if you want to install specific intelligent application, then so you can also search for that application from here and click on that application. Now if you're having license version, then you can get an option here as a install. You just need to click on that install option, and another prompt will appear. So in that prompt you need to select the source system. From source system also you need to select space where you are going to install this intelligent application. Why we need to select space? Because data products are going to install into the data sphere. Okay, so basically we need to select the data sphere space while installing. Once you selected space, then you need to click on import and deploy. Okay, so after that your application will install. So I will show you after installing your application how it will look like. Okay, so by default SAP has installed one intelligent application working capital inside, and here you can see associated data products like a billable control, business area, cash flow. Okay, so if you want to uh, check this data product into the Datasphere, go to Datasphere, and let me show you. See, when you are installing intelligent application, it's asking for a space. Okay, so we need to provide space, and in that space it will going to install data product. So here on my system you can see by default they have created one IA working capital space BDC. Okay, so here this intelligent application, sorry, data products are installed here. You can see general entry, company code, hierarchy, house bank. These are the data products installed here. Okay, uh, let me also show you in analytical cloud uh, what you will see after the installing the intelligent application. Click on files. In files you can see option intelligent applications. Okay, and here you can see SAP S4HANA finance application type, and here you can see your SAP IA working capital dashboard. It's opening the screen. So this is a default dashboard provided by the SAP uh, after installing the intelligent application. Okay, so here you can see this dashboard. If you want to check liquidity and cash, you just need to also you can check in this way. If you want to see the inventory, you can also check the inventory. And also one more thing, this one is a standard dashboard provided by the SAP, so that you cannot modify. If you want to modify this dashboard, then you need to copy and create a copy of it, and in that copy you can make a changes. Okay, this is all about the SAP BDC cockpit, data product, intelligent applications. Okay, so I have provided you here basic information. In next session we will go into more deeper about the data products and about also intelligent applications. Thank you.